The SEAVON 21-pint dehumidifier is an excellent choice for tackling moisture issues in large spaces, especially basements. With a coverage area of up to 1,500 Sq.ft, this powerful machine efficiently removes up to 21 pints of moisture daily, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment. What sets this dehumidifier apart is its customizable settings. You can choose from 3 dehumidification modes: Dehu, Dry, and Continuous. Dehu mode allows you to adjust humidity levels between 30% and 80% and select fan speeds based on room humidity. Dry mode is perfect for those rainy days, efficiently removing humidity from damp clothes. And for extremely wet spaces, the continuous mode works tirelessly until your desired humidity level is reached. The Smart Touch panel makes operation a breeze. You can easily control various settings, including child lock, fan speed, timer, humidity, and power. The real-time humidity display lets you monitor and adjust levels conveniently. This dehumidifier also features an intelligent sensing system, automatically starting or stopping dehumidification to maintain your preset humidity levels. Additionally, the 24-hour timer reduces energy consumption, making it an energy-efficient choice. With its quiet operation, automatic defrost, and automatic moisture removal, this dehumidifier is a convenient and efficient solution for enhancing your home's comfort and air quality. The SEAVON 21-pint dehumidifier is a powerful and versatile tool, ideal for basements and large spaces. Its customizable settings, smart features, and efficient moisture removal make it a top choice for maintaining a healthy and comfortable home environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.